What if I told you that you could start earning money online right from your laptop or smartphone without any fancy degree, without quitting your job, and without falling for get rich quick scams? Sounds unbelievable, right? But here's the truth. Thousands of people in India are already doing it. And today I'm going to show you exactly how you can start step by step the right way. Hey everyone, I'm Mayur from Mayur Networks and welcome back to the channel. If you have ever searched how to make money online and felt overwhelmed by all the noise, you are not alone. The truth is, there are only three real ways to earn money online. And if you focus on mastering just one of them, you can build a long term sustainable income. In this video, I will break down the three proven ways to make money online in India, how to choose the best one for you, what mistakes to avoid, and how to actually start making your first income online this year. So, if that sounds good, hit that like button and let's dive straight in. Let's get real and see what actually works. We have all seen those flashy YouTube ads promising rupees 1 lakh in a week, right? Let me tell you something. Those are designed to make you chase quick money and end up quitting before you ever see results. Building income online is simple but not easy. You need a clear path, you need focus, and the good news there are only three paths that actually work. 1. Selling your skills, that is freelancing. 2. Selling products, that is e commerce. And 3. Building an audience through content creation. Those are what I call the three pillars of online income. Everyone else you see online, affiliate marketing, coaching, digital products, all fit into one of these three categories. Let's start with the easiest and fastest path to make your first rupee online, freelancing. If you can write, design code, edit videos, or even manage social media, you already have what people are willing to pay for. Platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer.com connect you directly with clients who need your skills. Here's the beauty of it. You don't need to create a product, run ads, or build a following. You just solve a problem for someone and get paid. But here's where most people go wrong. They try to be a jack of all trades. The secret is to specialize. Don't be a writer, be an SEO blog writer for tech startups. Don't be a designer, be a logo designer for small businesses. The more specific you are, the faster you stand out and attract better paying clients. And if you're wondering, but Mayur, I don't have experience, create your own. Make a mock projects. Help a local business build a small portfolio. That's how every freelancer starts. The best part, once you build your reputation, your income becomes predictable and it's 100% in your control. Now let's talk about something that's exploding in India, e-commerce. India's online retail market is already worth over $60 billion and it's growing every single year. And here's the inspiring part. More than 60% of new sellers today come from smaller towns and tier 2 cities. That means you don't need to live in Mumbai or Bangalore to build an online store. You can sell almost anything: handmade crafts, digital templates, custom t shirts, or even dropship products that you never touch. The secret to success here: find a niche. Don't try to sell clothes, sell organic cotton yoga wear for women. Don't sell home decor, sell eco friendly bamboo lamps. Specific products for specific people. That's how small businesses win online. Once you have your product, you can choose where to sell it. Start with Amazon or Flipkart for reach, or build your own store using Shopify for control. A smart strategy is to start on a marketplace, test your idea, then move to your own site once you know what works. Remember, e-commerce isn't about luck. It's about solving a problem and telling a great story around your product. Now let's explore the third path. This one is the long game, but it's the most powerful of all: building an audience. If there's something you love talking about, cooking, gaming, travel, finance, you can turn that passion into a business. You create content that helps people, entertains them, or solves their problems. Then once you have built trust, you can earn through ads on YouTube channel or blogs, affiliate marketing, brand sponsorship, or even sell your own products and courses. And here's the best part: once your content starts working for you, it becomes passive income. The biggest mistake new creators make: they chase virality instead of value. You don't need a million views. You just need 1,000 true fans who trust you. Speak to one person, not the entire internet. Be real, be consistent, and your audience will grow naturally. And if you can make regional language content, even better. That market in India is still wide open and the opportunity is massive. Now let's talk about tools and systems to grow smarter. Once you pick your path, freelancing, e-commerce, or content, you will need systems to scale. Use Trello or Asana to manage your projects. Use Canva and DaVinci Resolve for content creation. Use MailChimp or ConvertKit for email marketing. And yes, track your results with Google Analytics. The right tools will help you save time, stay organized, and look more professional, even when you are just getting started. If you want all-in-one solution instead of duct taping multiple platforms, then check out our free training on mayurnetworks.com. Here is the truth about money and mistakes to avoid. Let's get brutally honest for a second. No matter which path you choose, your first few months will probably slow. You will make mistakes, you will doubt yourself, and you will be tempted to quit. That's normal. The worst mistake you can make is jumping from one idea to another, freelancing one week, drop shipping next, and then quitting both. Focus on one thing for at least 6 months before you judge the results. And yes, your online income is real income. You will have to pay taxes. Treat it like a business from day one, not a hobby. That mindset shift alone separates the successful entrepreneurs from the dreamers. You may have a question in mind, such as how much can I actually earn? Everyone wants to know how much money can I really make online? Here's the truth. As a freelancer, 10,000 to 25 rupees per month is a realistic early on. As an e-commerce seller, expect to reinvest for 3 to 6 months before real profit. As a content creator, it might take a year before you see consistent income, but when it hits big. Freelancers go on to make 1 to 2 lakh a month working with global clients. Creators build audiences that generate lakhs every month through brand deals and courses. E-commerce owners scale from side hustle to full-time businesses. The ceiling is high, but it all starts with small, consistent action. Let's talk about your next step. So here's my challenge to you. Pick one of the three paths, freelancing, e-commerce, or content creation, and commit to it for 90 days. Don't overthink. Don't chase perfection. Just start. Because the truth is, nobody builds a successful online business by reading or watching alone. They build it by doing. You can download the free worksheet for the three proven paths to make money online. To kickstart your journey to earn money online. The link is given in the description. If you're ready to go deeper with step-by-step training and a network of people walking the same path, join my free community at community.moonetworks.com. Inside, you will get free and premium courses on freelancing, affiliate marketing, and business building through your centralized hub. You can get templates and tools to help you start fast. A supportive group of like minded entrepreneurs. It's completely free to join, and it's where the real learning begins. Here is the final takeaway. Making money online in India isn't a dream anymore. It's happening every single day for people just like you. You don't need luck. You don't need a viral video. You just need clarity, consistency, and courage. Start small, keep showing up, and build something that truly changes your life. I'm Mayur from Mayur Networks, and if this video has helped you, give it a thumbs up, drop your biggest takeaway in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more real strategies that work. Let's build your online business one smart step at a time. Bye.